like in which box number the value is not going to change. So they have given the options also. So they have given the options also. I'll give you options here. Yes. So these are the options we have. You can try and tell me which of the option is correct among A, B, C, D. Box 2, okay. Somebody saying box 7. So take time, no problem. So you can solve. So we have 4 options. We have 4 options here. Okay, so box 7, right? So let me check. Let me check what is the answer. So please everyone see here. I'm solving the question. So every flowchart will start here. Okay. Now what they are saying here, then you come to here. So in A, what they are saying in A? So in A, they are saying subtract number in the box 4. What is the number that is present inside the box 4? So that is 12. Minus number in the box 1. So number present in the box 1. So which is 30. Now what is this value? 12 minus 30. So which is nothing but minus 1. Right? And put the result in box 10. So in the box 10, I am going to put the result. What is that result? Result is minus 1. Minus 1. Which means whatever the value that is present in box 10 is now got changed to minus 1. Therefore, you tell me, does option B can be the answer? Is it possible to option B can be the answer? No, right? Because this value got changed. Na? The question what they are asking, it should not go into change, but it is changed, right? So therefore, option B is wrong. So we can eliminate option B. Option B we can eliminate. Okay. After completion of this step, next, where we have to go, that is decided by this arrow symbol. So now let's come to B. Now in step B, what they are saying is number in the box 10. You tell me what is the number that is present in the box 10? Tell me, friends. Is it 18 or is it minus 1? Very good. It is not 18 because now 18 replaced, right? 18 got replaced by minus 1. Therefore, always we have to take the updated value. So the updated value will be minus 1. So minus 1. Now the condition they are checking is, you can see the question mark here. Okay. So is minus 1 is less than 0? Tell me true or false or yes or no for this. Obviously minus 1 is small, right? Compared to 0. Therefore, yes. Or you can say true also. True also. Sometimes they will use true or sometimes they will use yes. Yeah. So minus 1 is less than 0. Yes. So if it is yes, go here. If it is no, then take this part. Take this part. Because it is yes, na. So we are going to take this part. And when you take this part, next we have instruction C. And what the instruction C they are saying, add number in the box 9. Tell me what is the number in the box 9? That is 0. plus number in the box 5. So what is a number present in the box 5? That is nothing but 10. Now 0 plus 10, that is 10. And the 10 where we have to put the result in box number 2. Now in the box number 2, we are going to put the value as 10. So in the box number 2, we are going to put its value as 10. So box 2 value is also changed. So then option C we can eliminate, right? Because the question is not going to change. But box 2 value got changed. Therefore, we can eliminate this option. So option C also cannot be the answer. Okay. Next, where we have to go? We have to go to next step, that is T. Can you all hear me? Okay, okay. So next step, now when you go to T, again the question mark only. So in the question mark, what is present? Number in the box 7 is greater than number in the box 7. First of all, let's see what is the number in the box 2. Now tell me number in the box 2 how much? 10. You should not take 20 friends because updated value we have to take. So therefore its value is 10. Now what is number in the box 7? So that is 5. So now let us check, is 10 is greater than 5? Yes. Yes. Or you can say true also. True also. So they are saying yes. Na? So whenever this is yes, you come down. Whenever it is no, you go back. Okay. Now come down. Next step, that is E. Now what is step E? They are saying multiply. Okay. Multiply number in the box 10 into number in the box 2. What is value that is present in box 10? So -1. What is number present in the box 2? That is 10. So -1 into 10, that is -10. -10. And where we have to put the result? In box number 3. So now box number 3, I'm going to put its value as -10. -10. Okay. So box number 3 value is also changed. So option A is also gone. Option A is also gone. Now after step E, so we have directly end only, which means we can stop. So by the end of the flow chart, so which of the boxes are not changing, friends? In given options, option D, that is box number 7. Box number 7. So understood everyone how to solve such type of questions? Easy only. Only thing now, you should not do the calculation mistakes. So you should be careful about the calculation mistakes. Okay, na? These are simple things only, plus, minus, all these things. Okay, now I will ask another question. Okay, you tell me. Now I'm going to ask you one more question. Out of total 10 boxes, how many boxes value are changing? Out of total 10 boxes, how many boxes values are changing? So answer is 3. Very good. So they can form different type of questions. Maybe they can ask how many boxes value are not changed. How many are not changed? 7. Because total 10 boxes now. Out of 10, if 3 are changing means remaining 10 are not changing only. Got it? Okay. So we will see one more question. Okay. Shall we see one more question based on flowchart? Okay. So this time maybe, okay. Everyone take the pen and paper and solve the question. Solve the question. Tell me. So again, you can take 5 minutes of time. So again, you can take, I think 5 minutes is more, but yeah, you can take and tell me the answer for this. Forty-two. Okay. But somebody is saying 12 also. Some people are saying 12 also. Somebody is saying 48. 42 also. Somebody is saying. Okay. So I'll tell you the solution. So please see this, friends. What they're saying. So study the following flowchart and answer the question follows. So what is a number present in the box number 5 after completion of the flowchart? So start, end. Okay. So start, end like this. Start to end. Okay. So total 10 boxes are there. So here hash represent. So here they have given box followed by a symbol hash symbol. What does it meaning? Can anyone know? What is the meaning of hash? You all know, right? Very good. So the meaning of this is number, friends. So the meaning of hash is number. Some people will write the symbol hash. So the meaning of symbol hash is number. Meaning of this hash is number. Okay. Now let's solve the problem. So add number in the box 4 plus number in the box 2 and put that result into box 7. Okay. So first of all, what is present in the box 4? That is 2. Plus number in the box 2 is 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. And that 5 we need to put inside the box 7. So inside box 7, we need to put the value 5. Now updated value is 5. Okay. So first step is completed. So next, go to step number 2. Now take the number in the box 7. This is interesting, friends. Please see this. What is the number in the box 7? 5. Very good. Plus. Now, what is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of this? I'll tell you. What is the meaning of this? I'll go to the next slide and I'll tell you meaning of this. Listen carefully. Number in the box. Okay, I will take this diagram also. I'll take the diagram also and I'll put it here. Okay, so now please see this. Please see this. So number in the box, whose number is in box 6? Did you understood? So what is its value? Tell me what is the answer for this? 3, na? Now, I'll tell you, please see this. Please see this. So number in the box. Okay. So inside that box, what is the number we have? That and all we want. See, if you see here number in the box 4 is 2. Number in the box 2 is 3. Similarly, I want number in the which box? Which box number I need to take? So number in the which box number? Is number in the box 7 or number in the box 2 or number is the box 4? Where I need to take the number? From which box I need to take the number? That will be given by box number whose number is in box 6. Now go to the box number 6, take that value and you put it here. So now finally we need to take the number in the box 2. So in the box 2 what we have? So we have 3. Understood this point, everyone? Everyone understood this point? So number in the box, whose number is in box 6? So in box 6, whose number is there? We have box number 2, right? So now go to box 2, take that number. Take that number. Okay, na? Right. So now, so answer to this is, what is answer finally for this? What is the finally answer? 3. Very good. So 5 plus 3, that is 8. Where I need to put the 8? Inside the box 6. So inside the box 6, you go and put 8 here. Put 8 here. Okay? Next, third step is multiply number in the box 6 and number in the box 1. Okay. What is the number present in the box 6? We have 8. What is the number present in the box 1? We have 6. 8 into 6, that is 48. That 48 you put inside the box 5. So inside box 5, so you put the 48. So the end of the number, okay. So in box 5, what we have? So we have 48. So 48 is the answer. Okay. So understood, everyone? I think this part is little difficult. Only this part, if you understood, then it's easy. So which require a bit of reading skills. Which require a bit of reading skills. So number in the box, whose number is in box 6? Whose number is in box 6, right? Okay. So now let's see one more question. Yeah. So let's see one more question. So please see this. Okay, I'll tell you one more time. Some students did not understand this. So please see this. I'll tell you one more time. Those who did not understand, so please listen. I'll explain one more time this. So what they are saying here, number in the box. See, we want some number so that I can go to that box number and I will get that value. But which box number should I go? So basically, to get the value, so I'll write it here. Please see. Okay. So to get the value, okay, to get the value, first I need to go. I need to know. First, I need to know the box number. If I know the box number, then I'll get the value easily. Got it now? But which box number should I go? What is the box number? So that I will go and take the value. For that, now, they are saying number in the box, whose number is in box 6. So now tell me, what is the value that is present in the box 6? Tell me what is the value that we have in the box 6? That is 2. So now go to box 2 and get the value. So tell me what is the value you are going to get. Now go to box 2 and get the value. That is 3. So therefore answer is 3. Now it is clear, everyone? Now I think it is clear. Okay. So here its answer is 3. Answer is 3. Okay. Good. So shall we take one more question? Okay. So we'll take one more question. Yes. Now come on. So read this question. So what this flowchart is doing? Numbers are interchanged. Okay. Exchange of X and Y. Okay. Value exchange is happening. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. I think most of they are giving correct answers. So very good. So please see this, friends. So please see this. What is happening here? So the question what they are saying, consider the following flowchart, which means the flowcharts that they have given. Okay. So assume that two positive numbers are supplied to X and Y. So X and Y, I'm supplying two positive numbers. Now then they're asking, determine what the following flowchart is doing. Okay. So flowchart is started here. So flowchart is started here. And it is saying read X comma Y. So from the keyboard, I am supplying two values. So this is a keyboard. And let's say this is a monitor to display the output. So this is used to supply the input. So keyboard is used to supply the input. It will supply the input and monitor is used to display the output. So it display the output. Okay. But between what is happening, let's see. So read X comma Y. So let us assume the X value that I supplied as, let's say 3. And let's say Y value that I supplied as 4. These are initially. So initially, these are the X and Y values. So initially, these are X comma Y values. Okay. Na? So now, third step, this is important step. See what is happening in this step. Okay. So I have separated this. See what is happening here. So they have taken Z is equal to X. What does it mean? whatever the value of x that they are keeping into z. Okay. So now z is equal to, so see this carefully. So z is equal to, what is the x value? X value is 3. So now z is equal to 3. Z is equal to 3. Okay. So that is the first step. Now what is the second step they were doing? X is equal to y. Now what is the y value? Y value will be 4. So now x is equal to 4. Right? Now at this point of time, if I ask the x value, you tell me what it is. Is it 3 or it is 4? Tell me. It is 3 or it is 4? Very good. It is 4. Why? Because we have to take always updated value. So always updated value we need to take. Updated value we need to take always. Updated value we need to take. Right? Okay. So now let's continue the process. So second step is completed. Now, what is the third step? Y is equal to z. So which means now y is equal to, what is the value we are going to get? Whatever the value present inside that z, that will be going inside y. So z we have 3, right? So y is equal to 3. Right? So this is the answer that we got after the third step. So once if this is completed, they are saying write x comma y. Now this time you tell me what are the x comma y values after updating. Initially x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. But after that x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 3. Initially x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. Right? So if you observe from the initial value, this is initial value, this is final value. These are the final value. So what is happened, friends? So both x and y values are got exchanged. Right? So x and y values are got exchanged. So you see this. These are the initial x comma y values. These are the final x comma y values. These are the final x comma y values. So what happened in the initial to final? Both values are got exchanged. X and y values are exchanged. X and y values are got exchanged. Exchanged. Okay. And this process, whatever values got exchanged, na? So in computer science, okay, the values exchanged is called as swapping. Okay. So everyone should remember this name. So in computer science, these values exchange is there. Na? So it is called as swapping. So now both x and y values got swapped. So both x and y values got swapped or swapping. So understood now, everyone? If anybody asks, how can you swap two variables? So in future, if anybody asks, okay, so write it steps to swaps. So if the question is about write the step to swaps two variables. Let's say m and n. Now I want to swap the values that are present inside m and n. So can you all write me the code and tell me? So write the code and tell me. I want to swap the values that are present inside m and n. So variable is like m, n, all these called as a variables. Okay. So see this, I'm telling the solution. So initially assume m is equal to 5 and n is equal to 10. Okay. So in final, what is the value should present in m and what is the value should present in n? What should be present inside m? 10. Very good. What should be present inside n? 5. Now, to happen, what are the steps that you are going to do? To happen this, what we are going to do? So first step, what we will do now? First step, what we will do is, we have m with the value 5 and we have n with the value 10. Now listen carefully. Please everyone listen carefully, friends. So if I write m is equal to n, then what is the problem? If I write m is equal to n, what is the problem? Inside m, I'm going to get the value of 10. Don't you think we lost the value of n? We lost m value, correct? We lost m value because when you write this step, when you write m is equal to n, whatever the value of n is there, that got now updated inside that m. So this now 5 will be replaced by 10. Now if I ask the m value, what is the value that you are going to get? 10 or 5 or 10. Very good. Why we have to take the updated value? Okay, but I want to get 5 now. Where is 5? Where is 5? 5 is gone, right? 5 is lost. So I don't want to lost it. I don't want to lost that value of m. For that, what you are going to do, take a new variable. Okay, so take a new variable, friends. So any name that you can give you. So maybe I can take a variable x. Variable x I can take. Okay, any name you give. X you can take, temp you can take, some xyz, right? You can take any name that you want. Now this x, I will write m. When I write x is equal to m, so what's going to happen, friends? So x is equal to, tell me what it is going to get. Initially, m is equal to 5 and n is equal to 10. So initially, if I assume, so I'll take same. If I take m is equal to 5 and n is equal to 10, same. So if I write first step as x is equal to m, so you are happily storing this 5 value inside this x. Now, if you want to replace, you can replace, no problem. Because I have one variable which is safely stored this value, right? So m is equal to, I'll explain here. So m, I have 5. Now n, I have 10. But now I have taken another variable called as x. Now inside that x, whatever the value of m, so that I am storing here. So that if you want to replace, you can replace, no problem. Because now I did not lost this value. I happily stored this in a new variable. In a new variable. So if you want to replace, you can replace, no problem. I had that value also. So hence I have taken a new variable or third variable I have taken. Now, second step, now can I write m is equal to n? Now can I write m is equal to n? Yes, you can. Whatever the value of n, that you can put inside that m. Okay. Now, third step. Now, if I want to get the final n value as 5, so, but n it is having 10. Now, inside n, how can I get a value of 5? So, that is present inside that x. So, therefore, third step, you can write n is equal to x. So, which means now n is containing the value that is present inside that x. So, that is 5. So, initially, we have 5 comma 10. After the 3 steps, we got a 10 comma 5. Yes, swap is happened. So understood, everyone? Right? So please don't by heart this. Now, are you going to by heart these steps? Are you going to by heart? No, na? So no by hearting. Understood and you can do it easily. You can understand and you can do it easily, right? No by hearting. Okay, na? Good. Now, so next, I think these are the pretty much for today's class to cover. Okay. So now we have seen three problems. We have seen three problems, friends. Now let's get back to the theory. Now let's get back to the theory points. Okay. So these are the different symbols, right? So you see here, we have just extension to the previous slide only. So the common flowchart symbols that we have. So first one is a terminator. So which you can use for start or end. Start or end. Second is the process we have already seen. Now third is connector. So small shape this indicates. Now this is not required, not required. So fourth one is input output. The symbol we have seen. So fifth one is also flow we have seen. So sixth is a decision. So it is important. The rhombus symbol or a diamond symbol. So which says yes or no. Sometimes they can say T or F also. So what is meaning of T? What is meaning of T? Tell me. True. Very good. So sometimes they can tell you true also. True. And F means false. So false is same as no. False is same as no. True is same as yes. True is same as yes. Okay. So you can see here. Is no, yes. Something like. Okay. So you see this. Let's say this is a flow that we had. This is called three-way branch. This is called three-way branch. Now see this, friends. Okay. So here if I give you A is equal to 5, comma, A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 10. So which one you are going to choose among 1, 2, 3? Which one are you going to choose? Which branch? Okay. First one, second one, third one. Which one will you choose? A is equal to 5, B is equal to 10. Okay. So you check 5 is less than 10. Right? So which means A is less compared to B. So you are going to choose first one. Choose one, right? Okay. Now, if I give you A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 10, so which one are you going to choose? They both are equal, right? So they both are equal. So therefore, you are going to choose the third one. Very good. So you are going to choose third one. Next, if I give you A is equal to 20 and B is equal to 10, then which one are you going to choose? Okay, because 20 is bigger now compared to 10. So 20 is bigger compared to 10. So you are going to choose second one. Okay. So I hope you understood. So sometimes we have only two things, friends. That is yes or no type. So first one, yes or no type will be there. Sometimes we have more than two also like this. So this is not required. So this is not required. So mostly you can encounter these two things. You can encounter these two things. Okay. Now we'll see one last thing. One last thing we will see, and then we can close the class. Okay. So if you have something like, so you have one symbol. Okay. So yes means go this path. Some condition is there. So some condition is there. We don't know what that condition is. Anything it can be. So when you have yes or no, yes or no. So this is one type, friends. This is one type. Okay, sometimes what can happen, like we have seen in the problems. So sometimes what can happen is, so maybe we have a boxes like this. Okay, so next to you have maybe another box. It can be anything in the box. So like this, like this, like this. So let's say here you have a condition. We have some condition and it can be like this, it will be. Okay. So if it is no, then straightforward, let's say end. So this is just an example. Okay. So if it is no, so assume this is a straightforward end, nothing much. If it is yes, maybe after coming to here, H, do something and again go back like this. So if it is no, then it is a directly end. Now, if I put like this, again go there, this is no case. Okay, so yes case, you come here and you repeat. You repeat. Okay, so this is a simple condition. This is a simple condition checking. But what this is called as repeat, friends. This is called as repeat. And it is also known as called. It is also called as a loop because you are keep on repeating that. So as long as this is yes, so as long as this is yes, so you are keep on repeating. So you are keep on repeating. It is a simple condition only. It is just a simple condition checking. So it is a simple condition checking, but it is keep on repeating. It is a keep on repeating, right? So because in some assignment, you are going to get some assignment problems. So where you will get to know some loops also, friends. Okay. So for example, let me take this problem only. Let me take this problem only. You tell me in the following diagram, do we have a loop or not? In the following diagram, flowchart, do we have a loop? Tell me answer, yes or no. Do we have a loop? Are you look at carefully? You look at carefully. Yes, we have a loop now. See, from D, you are going back, wherever going back is there. So wherever, so going back and you come, again go back and come. So yes, we have a loop. We have a loop. No matter whether it is a shorter or bigger. Loop to hai na. Whether it is shorter or bigger. Yes, loop is there. So you come B to C, C to D. So you see here, I'm coming from B. I'm coming from B. If it is yes, then from B, if it is yes, I'll go to C. Okay. Then from C, no other option. Go directly to D. Go directly to D. Go directly to D. From D, for example, if it is no. From D, if it is no, tell me where I am going. From D, if it is no, where I am going? I am going to C. Very good. Now, from C, no other option. Go to D. Again from D, if it is no, where I am going? C only. From C, no other option. Go to D. From D, if it is no, where I am going? I am going to C. So don't you think some things are repeating here? These are repeating. And these repeating are called as a loop. Now they are fall in a loop. When this loop will get back, when this loop will get out, or tell me, from D if it is a yes, correct? So if you want to break the loop, so when the above loop will break. So when the above loop will break, friends, so from D, If it is yes, then it will break. Am I correct? Am I correct? From D, because whenever from D, no, going. From D, if it is yes, then it will break. Then it will break. Okay, yes. So now one more question, one last thing I'll take this. For example, you take this. Does it contain any loop? Is it containing any loop, friends? No loop, na? Straightforward. You're coming like this. No loop at all. When we can say it is a loop, if you are doing same thing more than once, if it is a repeating, then we can call it as a loop. Otherwise, it is no loop. Otherwise, it is a no loop. Okay. So that's all, friends, for today's class. For today's class, that's all. So you will be getting some assignments. So you'll be getting some assignments, and you can just solve those questions. Okay. So I'll just stop my screen. So let me check. Do we have Vaibhav here? Uh, yeah. So Vaibhav is here. So he will be helping with the course platform, like how where you can see the assignments, how you can fill the feedback form. All these things Vaibhav will be explaining. Okay. Yeah. Vaibhav, over to you.
Yeah, thank you. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, Vaibhav, you are audible.
Okay. Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Okay, I think the chat is related to Vinu, sir. Okay. Uh, yeah. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Okay. Okay, guys, I will take you a 5 minutes only. Okay. Till after that, you can enjoy your break. Good afternoon. So, can you guys tell me till now how means are you got clear with LMS what it is and why we use it? Yes or no? 1 0 you can put one. Everyone saying one. Okay, those who are saying no. So LMS is a learning management system where you can find your daily lectures, daily schedule, daily assignments and quizzes. Also, you can send the feedback in LMS. Okay, those who are saying zero, I will explain the procedure once. Okay, how you can log in into LMS. So let me share my screen. Okay. Okay. Guys, please be here for 5 minutes. Okay. So is my screen visible? Let me know. Yes, no. Okay. Okay. So guys, this is a URL of LMS, Student Management System. Those who are not able to log in, just open this link from your browser, okay, and bookmark it, okay. You should not forget this URL through your entire journey, okay. This is very important. Bookmark this URL. How to bookmark? Do you know it? How to bookmark? Okay, already did. Okay, very nice then. Okay, so after this, you need to put your whatever ID you got in your email. You must got your email and password with registered email. Okay, that you need to log in with. Do a sign in. Okay, then you will get a dashboard like this. Okay, your dashboard will be different, but usually you will be seeing this dashboard only. Okay, so here in dashboard you can see the today's schedule. Whatever going to cover today means the lectures and the assignments that you can see in this dashboard. Okay. Okay. So now second thing, after every lecture, there will be one feedback. Okay. So suppose the Venu sir's lecture is over now, like introduction to flowchart. When you open it, okay. So can you see here are some emojis there. How would you rate this lecture? Okay. So this is one negative, this is one also negative, this is normal, and this is happy, and this is very great. Okay. Suppose whatever you want to put, so you can select here. Okay. So I want to give awesome lecture. So I will write here, Venu sir, Venu sir is awesome. Okay. स्पेलिंग गलत हो गया ठीक है, right? You can submit it after it. Okay. Okay. Once you submit, you can't access it. Okay. So this is one time activity that you need to follow daily. Okay. Your feedbacks matters to us. Okay. And notes are already updated. So you can go through the notes also. Here you can find notes. Okay. Till now, any confusion how to fill feedback form? Yeah, sorry, spelling mistake. Sorry. How can you feel, right? No, huh? Okay. 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 How to check attendance? I will show it also. Now, second work that you need to do after every lecture, that is, there are quiz questions. Okay. Here, can you see the option of quiz question? Yes, you need to click on it. Then you can see the attempt quiz option. Okay. First, read this information. Okay. If you are unable to see fourth option, then you need to do what you need to do. You need to zoom out the screen. Okay. From here. Okay. If you are unable to see fourth option, suppose I am attempting quiz. Okay. Now I will attempt the quiz. Okay. This is one question that I got. And if I unable to see fourth option, sometimes it happens. It is little bug that is fixing now. If you are unable to see fourth option, you just need to press Control minus, okay, to zoom out the screen. Also, you can zoom out from the browser setting from here. Okay. That will not happen every time. It will happen means sometimes only when the image is too large. Okay. Okay. So you can attempt quiz from here. Okay, read the question. You can solve the quiz and you can click on next. Okay, there will be 5 to 6 question. After that, you can submit your quiz. Right? Okay. Have you understood this? How to attempt quiz also? Okay. So there is another option to attempt quiz from here, from quiz section. Okay, from quiz section. Here you can also see. Okay. If you go to first question, then you can click on next. But better to go always with a lecture. Whenever a lecture is over, open the lecture, click on this quiz question, and you can attend the quiz, right? Any doubt, any sir, what is the deadline for quiz? So when you start attending it, when you click on attend quiz, you need to solve that quiz within 3 hours. Okay. You can attend quiz till tomorrow. Deadline of quiz will be till tomorrow. But when you attend the quiz, you need to complete it within 3 hours. After that, it will get expired. Quiz compulsory? Yes, it's for our understanding. Means how much you have understood from the lecture. Okay, it's mandatory to attend. Okay, quiz feedback. Have you guys understood this? No, quiz and assignments are different. So quiz attempt percentages are not considered. Okay. Assignments are important. They are considered for unit movement also. Quiz are not considered. Quiz are for understanding purpose only, but they are mandatory. Any problem getting quiz? Okay. So today you will be not having assignment regarding PBS and PR also. But today you will be having this quiz. Okay, this is look like a assignments only. When you see it, it will feel like assignment only. So please attend the quiz. Okay. Okay. Any more doubts? How to check attendance? Okay. Click on lectures. The attendance will get captured after 24 hours. So if you want to see you are present or not, you have to wait till today. Okay. So I think okay. you can see these are the lectures, right? Introduction to data analytics, introduction to flowchart. So here you can see one label as present or absent here. Okay. After 24 hours. After 24 hours means for today you can see tomorrow. Okay, you can see the status till tomorrow. Some earlier assignments are showing as overdue in my profile. Please contact with Shanky. Will we see the right answer for quiz after attending any explanation of the answer? I guess not. The recording will get updated within half hour. You can see recording in that lecture only. Open that lecture within half hour. As soon as I close this meeting, after a half hour or 15 minutes, this recording will get updated here. Okay. Okay. Can we go? Yes, I will stop sharing. Now you can go now. Enjoy your lunch. Okay. चलो guys, मिलते हैं then, right? Okay.